Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. Hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. Y'all, today's video is going to be all about the brand new Natasha Denona Roxa Palette. And you guys, I am going to give you some swatches. You're going to see how I came up with this look. I'm going to give you some comparisons, and I know you want to see all of that. So what do you need to do? Say it with me. Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs, and have a seat at the Grown Women's Table, and let's get into this video. You guys, you know I love Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes, and in case you don't know, your girl loves purple. So this, to me, was a match made in heaven. When I saw that we were getting a purple palette, I was super duper excited. Now, you know, we went and saw what the YouTube streets were saying about the palette. And so a lot of people were saying, oh, it looks like the Love palette or has too much pink. And I was like, well, let's see. So later on, I'm going to give you some comparisons. But what I'm getting ready to do now is the look that I created, I will show you the look on the side. And we're just going to talk about the palette while you watch how I created this look. Now, this look that I created, I feel like is a very friendly, beginner friendly, and super duper soft version, an everyday version of purple wear eyeshadow. Because I know a lot of times people are intimidated by bold colors, but I wanted you to see that you can get a very soft, easy, work, relatable type of eye look from this palette. So now let's get into the good stuff. Okay, y'all, this is the palette, just in case you're not familiar with the color story. Y'all, it is super duper gorgeous. It is limited edition. It's $69. And y'all, look at the packaging. This packaging is a finger magnet, but is absolutely gorgeous. And for those that don't know, Natasha Denona palettes, you can push them out and recreate the palette however you want with different shades from any of her other collections. But the package to me is A1. It's absolutely stunning. I'm loving the package. Now you do get, because this is a mini, you're going to get 15 shades in this palette. And we have different formulas. So we have, what, 4 different formulas in this palette? Y'all know I wrote it down. So we have the Silky Mattes, which y'all, okay. And we have the Sparkling Foil and Metallic. We have the Wet Effect and a Custom Duochrome, which is that shade right there. Y'all, I want to talk about these mattes in this palette. Now, I did have a concern that I thought, well, maybe these mattes, you know, might not be as easy to work with, but y'all, let me tell you, the mattes are matting and they are blending out gorgeously. I haven't had any trouble with them, and I've used this one, these two, that one. Oh, and I played with that one as well. So I haven't had any problems with these mattes. So just in case you was wondering about that. Now, this palette was inspired by the Lila palette. And I'm going to show you that palette. So this is the inspiration for the palette. Now what I do want to do is, right now, I'm going to go ahead, put some swatches in so you can see what these colors look like on my skin tone. And I'm going to give you a regular swatch inside the house, and then I'll give you a swatch outside the house. And you guys, to me, these colors swatch I mean, they just look beautiful on my skin tone. These are some very, in case you want to know, brown girl friendly colors. Even the lighter shades, like this one right here, that's what's on my lid. So it looks so good on my skin tone. I feel like this one is very brown girl friendly. I want to kind of get into the comparisons. So the question, if you have Lila, do you need Roxa? So I'm gonna put them side by side so you can see them both. Okay, y'all. When I look at this Lila palette, I feel like the Lila palette is warmer than the Roxa palette. To me, the Roxa is a little cooler. And I feel like the Roxa, even though the purples are in different ranges versus over here, I feel like I got more purple, real purple out of this palette versus the original. So to me, yes, you can create a purple look with both of these palettes. Absolutely, I'm not saying that. But I do feel like this one's giving me a little bit more of a cool tone look versus this one, the Lila. I feel like because even the purples are a little warmer. Not super duper warm, but there is a little bit more warmth to it. Let me know in the comment section, do you agree with that? Do you feel like the warmth level is different between the two the two palettes? I really would like to know. But to me, they are both, I don't mind having both. I feel like this. I don't mind having both of these in my collection. Because I can, pair these two together. Or if I want a more warmer look or a more cooler look, I have options. But if you're the type of person that don't care, you just want a simple purple look, then no, you don't have to. So it all depends on your makeup aesthetic. All right, the next thing I'm comparing it to is the Love palette. That is what the Love palette is looking like. And a lot of people were saying, oh my God, this is just the Love palette. So let me put them together. All right, so these are them side by side. I can kind of see what people are saying. There are purples and pinks in both, but to me, they are still very different. Very different. This Love palette is a lot warmer, and the undertones of the purples that are in there are a lot warmer versus Roxa, which I feel like is cooler. And the vibe to me, I feel like the Roxa palette has way more purples, way more purple shades in it than the Love palette. Your purples in the Love palette are like right over in this area for the most part. So to me, they are not the same palette. And if you have the Love palette, it is okay to have the Roxa palette because they are not the same. To me, they are different vibes. If you agree or if you disagree, let me know in the comment section. Now, my final thoughts about this palette. The formula, I haven't had any issues out of any of the formulas. The formula is chef kiss. The colors are gorgeous. I feel like this palette could take you from day to night. And even like I said, with this eye look, this to me is very work wearable. You can go from the job to, a little happy hour situation. Or you can go to a little nice little get together, a little brunch or something with this eye look. Simple. Or you can get more smokier look eyes with, using this color to smoke it out. So you can get more smoky type looks. I feel like there's a lot of one and dones in this palette, like just throwing a shade and going about your way. So I feel like this palette is gorgeous. Who is it for? The purple lover. If you love purple, this palette was created for you. If you love color, this palette was created for you. If you're someone new in the makeup game and you're trying to get into colors and you really don't know how to work with colors, especially with purples that are very hard to blend out and sometimes hard to formulate so that they can work good on the eye. The formula, this silky matte that she has created, is a great way to learn how to work with these type of colors. So I think this is a palette for just about anybody that is into color. Now, if you're a neutral girl, then maybe no, this wouldn't work for you, But if you like color, this is it. So you guys, that is it. Let me know in the comment section, how did you like the eye look? And also, do you like this style of content? Me talking and then showing you how I got the look at the same time. And don't forget, in the description box, there will be an affiliate link. So if you decide to pick up this palette, please use my link because it helps support the channel. And that's a way of supporting the channel. And also, let me know if you already picked it up and what kind of eye look you got. Like, I want to know what type of eye look y'all got. Follow your girl on Instagram at It's Lori's Life on Instagram and DM me your eye looks because I would love to see them. All right, y'all. don't forget to thumbs up this video, because thumbsing up the video is a way of saying hello to me. When you walk in my house, you say hello, right? So when you come to the videos, thumbsing up the video is a way of saying hello. Because when I come in, I'm already speaking to y'all. So speak back to your girl. And that's it, y'all. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.